I'm dreaming? The heck? Got ears. Anyways. Thought we were done with this. Thought this episode was over. Shoot. Anyways. I like it. No, I don't. Shoot! Just kidding. Stupid. Dumb. My bad. I forgot the wiring. Pulling too many wires, I guess. Anyways. That doesn't look good, Dirk. In bad shape. Getting the truck out. Anyways, sorry about that. Just trying to fix it. Dirk 99er requesting permission to land. Approaching one way. Altitude approximately 2,200 feet.
You're too low, 99er. Abort landing.
Anyways, coming in for a landing, people. Getting out of last episode. That was a rough one. 666. Now we're at 667, I think. See if we're dreaming. Flying out of the dream, people. Shoot.
The next minute and a half of your mind, Dirk.
Anyways. What plane am I flying?
You're flying at Boeing 747,
Dirk.
sir.
You got a plane button too? I like it. Anyways.
99er, you're too low. Abort.
What's that? Tower? Go ahead.
Abort landing. Abort.
Sheriff! Is that you, Sheriff? Shoot!
Never mind.
Just put him.
You're too low, dumbass.
Permission to land. Permission to land. Coming in quick. Coming in hot. Coming in hot. Coming in hot. And...
That's my daddy. That's my daddy.
Down. Dirk 499 to tower. Dirk 499 to tower. Requesting flyby.
Permission denied.
Dumbass.
What do you mean denied?
Means don't do it, dumbass.
Go. Ah. Let me change the oil. What the heck? Yep. Test it. Shoot. Dirk! Buttons are really screwed up today. Order a button or something. Anyways. Ow. Shoot. Still a nightmare. Episode 667 should be better. Anyways. Shoot. Shoot. What am I gonna do? Go back in time. God darn it. Come on. Pick me up. My daddy. Back to the day. But, I don't know, 45 years later. I'm not. Let's go. Good. Put your shirt on. Hey. Look at the fella back there. Shoot.